Hello children. So today we are entering inside biology lab to do onion peel to observe the cells under microscope. This is the onion I kept, knife to cut. You can see the microscope, compound microscope for observation. These are needles, dissection needles, forceps, cover slips, slide, blotting paper and the toothpick for taking out cheek cell. This is glycerin, safranin, methylene blue. Okay, methylene blue is for cheek cell and safranin is for doing the practical of onion. Now let us start the practicals. Okay children, now let us start the practicals. Now I am cutting the onion. Okay, so here we have to get a cube of onion leaf. See here, I have taken out a cube. And this is the outer side and this is the inner side. From the inner side, we have to take out the peel. Okay, can you see the transparent structure? Easily you can take out with hand also. You can pull out. Okay. So after pulling, you can with the help of forceps you can pick up. Can you observe the transparent structure? Okay children, this is the structure I am taking out and keeping in the slide. Add a drop of water. Now we can observe. Upon the slide I kept the transparent peel what I got. Okay, so now I am going to add safranin. A drop of safranin you can add. Okay, I added the safranin now. We have to allow for few minutes for getting staining. Okay, so just you submerge entire onion peel inside safranin. It will take only few seconds for staining. Just immerse everything inside the stain without disturbing or puncturing out the onion peel. Can you observe children? It will take only 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now it has been stained. We should avoid over staining also. Now we can wash out with help of water. Add water and slowly you drain out the excess stain. Hope children you can observe how the water is getting drained out along with the stain. Now can you see it has been stained onion peel. It has been stained into red color. Can you watch? Drain out all the excess stain absorbed by the onion peel slowly. Okay, you should not wash out the onion peel. While dropping water, you should not wash out onion peel. Okay. Now with the help of blotting paper, we remove the water. It has to be, the slide it has to be clean. Okay. Can you observe the peel? So now let us add some amount of glycerin. This is the glycerin. Only few drops. We add only few drops of glycerin. This is the cover slip. While handling cover slip, no, you have to hold like this. there should not be any fingerprints coming inside the cover slip. Index finger, it should be in between the index finger and the thumb finger. It is very thin. We have to hold also softly. So now I am putting the cover slip upon the peel without allowing air bubble. See how I am putting the cover slip? Slightly you have to insert the needle and slowly you have to put the cover slip without inserting any air bubble. Okay, now the work is done. With the help of blotting paper, you take out the excess stains. Excess stain, it can be absorbed with the help of blotting paper. There should not be any oozing out liquid. If the liquid is there, it can spoil the microscope and the view can be affected. So that's why wipe out all the excess liquids oozing out. Now the slide, no, it is clear slide. Can you observe, children? Onion peel in the center. It can be, now you can observe under microscope. For observing under microscope, first we have to adjust the mirror to get the light properly. Once you get the light properly, you can put the slide under microscope. You can put between the clips. This is the coarse adjustment. Can you observe how it is moving? This is the fine adjustment. This one, no? Can you observe here? Two objective pieces are there. So we can focus under low power. One is for high power, other is for low power. For low power, we can use the coarse adjustment. And for high power, we have to use the fine adjustment. Okay, now the slide is secured. Now we can observe under microscope how does it look. It is very clearly visible, children. You can observe the cell walls, even the nucleus inside. It has been stained evenly. I will show you the picture. How does it look under microscope? Okay, children. Can you observe, children? I have focused under microscope. Can you watch the brick-like structures? That is onion cell. Inside that you can see small spherical structures, that is nucleus. Okay, hope it is clear for you. It is stained out properly. And the cell wall and the brick-like structure showing the cell, it is clear. Okay, hope you must have understood the slide preparation of onion peel. Okay, children, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.